Cuisinart Burr grinder for your coffee. If you love coffee like we do, we love espresso, cappuccino, machine coffee. We like a really fine grind, and so this machine does a magnificent job. You put the beans in here. As you can see, we got them beans in here, and you set it to fine, which means you rotate this to the fine position, and then your timer is right here, how long you want to grind it for, and then just push this button and she starts grinding. And when you're finished, you have this beautifully ground, super fine ground coffee. Now if you're doing drip coffee, you want coarse ground, so you grind this to coarse ground or medium, and depending on the flavor you want, this allows you to adjust this. So it's a beautiful machine. We love this grinder.